The two smartphones in the Samsung Galaxy Z series offer contrasting experiences. While the Flip 3 is all about compact design, the Fold 3 is unraveling. For now, let's talk about the latter. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, as the name suggests, folds and unfolds, giving users maximum screen space. It is available in three bold color variants: Phantom Black, Phantom Green and Phantom Silver. While folded, it gives the premium smartphone feeling with its 6.2-inch size, which unfolds into a symmetric, balanced and expansive view. This larger screen opens doors to never-seen-before gaming and viewing experience. So nothing really interrupts your view, not even the front camera. How? That's because the phone comes with unique under-display camera that offers you an immersive experience of work and play. Though foldable and flexible, the Fold 3 doesn't compromise on safety and comes with the toughest Corning Gorilla Glass of Z series. It is covered with a lightweight armor aluminum frame that makes the smartphone more durable. The Fold 3 is also claimed to be water resistant with IPX8 rated protection, just like the Flip 3. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 shares a very similar configuration system like its sibling Flip 3. It runs on Qualcomm octa-core processor with Android 11.0 OS. The enhanced One UI version offers PC-style interaction with the extra space, and your apps are optimized to provide a better and clean view. The phone has massive RAM of 12GB and comes in two internal storage variants of 256GB and 512GB. Along with the 5G technology, the smartphone also supports eSIM. Coming to its battery life, it comes with a 4400 mAh battery designed to last throughout the day and also adjusting according to your use. Also, you can charge it rapidly with 25-watt fast charging option along with wireless charging option. The Fold 3, being an expansive smartphone, offers vivid features in camera. It has a triple rear camera comprising three 12-megapixel cameras that provide different effects. The first of these is a telephoto camera that offers quality zoom. The second is a wide-angle camera to capture shots that cover the whole view, and the third is an ultra-wide camera that brings in wider area without any distortion. Like I mentioned before, this one also comes with a unique 4-megapixel under-display camera which allows you to click and review in one frame. The model has another camera which is a 10-megapixel cover camera that is operational when you are using the phone in its flex or fold mode. Talking about the Galaxy Z model's special features, the phone is well equipped and powered to handle all the multitasking for you, as it allows the screen to split into 3 apps and even open 5 or more apps in a pop-up view. In addition, unlike the Flip 3, the Fold 3 is compatible with the S Pen and helps to create and edit with ease. So it is for you to see. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has so much to offer. So if you're into smartphones that offer so much and more, the Fold 3 version is not going to disappoint you.